Hey y'all, did you miss me? Oh, nah. What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and you have now entered into TonyaNicole's bomb ass unboxing world, where today we will be unboxing Glow Addict Beauty Bag for September. I did a poll on my YouTube community tab and you guys wanted to see this. So if y'all want to see what's in September's Glow Addict Beauty Bag, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, my loves? Welcome. I am your host for today, TonyaNicole, and welcome to my channel, guys. I'm so happy you clicked the button to watch your girl. Sorry, y'all, I didn't post on Monday. They had a lot going on. I had to work. It was just busy for me, so I didn't have time to sit down and film. But I do have a little time in these next couple days, so I'm gonna knock some videos out for you guys. Before we go any further, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from Friday's video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl early. I appreciate you all. Today we're doing Glow Addict Beauty Bag. Friday is Freaky Friday, and we will be doing Seductive Pleasure unboxing. And I can't wait to see what we get in that box. I do not have a drink for today. I'm not feeling too good today, y'all. My energy is kind of low, so I apologize now. I'm just not feeling like full of energy today, so I'm sorry, y'all. But we came here to see what Glow Addict has to offer, and boo, we're about to cut her open. This is my last month, I think, with Glow Addict. I won't be unboxing this one on my channel anymore for right now. I may pick it back up later on next year. I want to start getting new boxes in on our channel and also doing more get ready with me and makeup tutorials and first impressions. So this is one that I decided to cut. This bag here is $13.99 each month plus shipping. Shipping is calculated depending on where you live. You're supposed to get 4 to 5 full-size beauty products in this little bag here. They also have a beauty box as well as a skincare box. I'll put all of that down below, guys. Cut it open. That is what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna pour all of the contents out. I hope we get a card because y'all, I don't feel like looking for prices. Okay, so we do not have a card, but I will look up all the prices for you guys and put it down below, and we'll do a grand total towards the end. First up, I am seeing from, is this Chef Mott 2.0? And these are CBD Gummies. The flavor that they gave me is peach cobbler right there, my loves. It says on here it's THC-free, gluten-free, fat-free, MSG-free, and dairy-free. It has 100 milligrams of CBD in it. But this is very cool to get. I don't know if I'm gonna try these. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried CBD gummies. This is something very different to get in your box. I'm gonna have to do a little research on this and see. But it does say Chef Matt is leading the pack when it comes to cooking with CBD and cannabis. It's no wonder why his edible brand is emerging as one of the top companies in the space. Okay. Chef Matt sources the highest quality ingredients, ensuring you'll end up with the highest quality gummies on the market. So I will look up information on this and I will put it in a description below, but this is the first product, guys. Next up, we received this little makeup brush cleanser here. A little cleaner, not a cleanser, sorry. It's cute. It's a like lavender colored purple heart. That is very cute for you to clean your brushes and your sponges on. I like this, guys. I really wish that we had a card so I can know the prices. Then we received from Beauty by a Bird this brush right here, and it looks like it's a blending brush, eyeshadow blending brush. It's a small brush right here, guys, and that's what it looks like. It's a nice light pink handle with a nice white fluffy top. So I do really like this. So, okay, I'm happy to get a brush and a little brush cleaner. And we did not get 5 products. I think Glow Addict Beauty Bag is only like 4 products because our last product is right here, and it is a palette. And this one, guys, is from O'Kaylin, which we have seen in all of the subscriptions lately. And I know I saw this one, and it's a variation. You could have gotten one of 2. I'll try to post a picture somewhere if I can find it. But this is the Mysterious 2 Highlight, Blush, and Bronzing Palette. That's what the outside looks like, my loves. When we open it up, girl, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. I think I got one like this already. I'm not sure. But I'm going to fold it back, and let me pull this. I'm sure I received one. So I'm not going to swatch it. I'm just going to try to pull it back without touching it. And this is the palette right there. These 2 must be like the bronzing shades. These 2 look like blush shades. These 2 look like highlighting shades. I think a variety of skin tones can use this. These are shimmery at the bottom though, guys, and these are more on the matte side. So, okay, I'm excited for this. I love to get a palette. Y'all do know that. That was our final product in Glow Addict Beauty Bag. This is going to be a real quick unbagging, guys. Sorry. So let's quickly recap, and we're going to do final thoughts, rated, and we're going to be done. So we received from O'Kaylin the Mysterious 2 Highlight, Blush, and Bronzing Palette here. Beauty by a Bird, we received this blending brush here. This heart-shaped lavender brush cleaner here. And last but not least, we received these CBD Gummies from Chef Matt. We received these 4 products for this month. Final thoughts. Now, for this bag being $13.99 plus shipping, this is the smaller of the 2. They offer the beauty box, which is I think 6 to 7 products, and this one is supposed to be 4 to 5. But I think ever since I've been getting the beauty bag, it's only been 4 products. I think it's an okay bag for what you pay, but you know, when you add shipping to it, it's almost like $18. So, yeah, maybe if they offered free shipping, I would be a little bit more thrilled with the products. For the most part, I would use all 4 products with it. Well, I'm lying. I don't know about these yet. I'm gonna have to do some research on this, but I will use 3 out of the 4. So that I think is a pretty decent box. This is why I'm kind of letting this one go, because I'm not really wowed by it. I wasn't wowed by the beauty box, and I'm not really wowed by the beauty bag. I think it's okay though for the price if you're just getting into makeup, just starting out, but I think I'm okay with letting this one go. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this bag for the month. So if I had to rate this bag on a scale of 1 being this bag is garbage, throw in a damn fishbowl, to 5 being this bag is a bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm going to give Glow Addict Beauty Bag for the month of September a whopping 3. I thought it was just okay, guys. I'm not going to, totally beat it up, but it was just okay. So as I said before, guys, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts. If you have not done so already, I don't know what you're waiting for before you subscribe to your girl, but you need to go ahead and become a part of my family. Give this video a big thumbs up if this is content that you like seeing from me. And subscribe, like, share this video, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of the links and stuff will be down below, guys. The information for this company will be down below, as well as any information I can find on these CBD gummies. So yes, that's all I have, guys. I have missed you all so much, and I'm happy to be back filming, but I need to go and get some rest now, y'all, because I am tired and the energy is steady declining. So that's all that I have, guys. Until next time and next video, I will see you all in the comments and on Friday's Freaky Friday video. Be blessed, my loves. Bye.